Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to blacklist certain words from your YouTube comments. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is come to the YouTube webpage and you want to make sure you're signed in. What we're going to be doing is clicking on our face on the top right, and then we're going to be going to our Creator Studio. Once your Creator Studio opens up, we're going to be looking for the Community tab on the left. And what we're going to be doing is clicking this open where we're going to get some more settings about our community. And once this opens up, we should see comments, subscribers, channel memberships, super chat, and community settings. What we're going to be doing is expanding the community settings option where we're going to get some more options to define some things. We can set up moderators, approved users, hidden users, blocked words, blocked links, and a couple of other things. But in this case, what we're going to be paying attention to is the blocked words section. Now here we're going to be able to set up words and phrases that we want blocked on our YouTube channel, and we can easily separate these with commas to separate them like we see in the example right here. So in this case, if we follow the example, if we want to block orange, Granny Smith, and grapefruits, what we can do is set these up by typing orange, then simply put a comma and you can enter any separate other word or phrase that you want blocked on your YouTube channel. And just like that, any comments made with these words or phrases or similarly around these words or phrases will be blocked or held for review on our channel, depending on how close they actually get to this. To save these changes, all we need to do is click saved on the top right. And once you see all changes saved, you're safe to leave this, and then these changes will be saved. And now these words will be blocked from your YouTube comments. This is going to be especially important as YouTube is starting to change their policy. So some videos may be demonetized even for the comments on the video, which is kind of crazy. So you want to set up certain words here to help prevent this. And this is a really good way to do it. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new. Check out the other videos on the channel. Until next time, guys, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.